Hey everybody, it's Jerry and
Cathy,
and
my
it is
sidekick, little Sonny right here on my shoulder. He likes to watch me cook, so.
And it's game day, so we are, of course, pulling for the home team, Baltimore Ravens. Let's go Ravens. What are we cooking today, Cathy?
We are cooking a sauteed broccoli chickpea lemon pasta. I just browned some onion right now in olive oil. And then you want to cut up your broccoli.
How much, do you know how much broccoli we need?
I used 2 big crowns and I just cut them up.
Okay.
And then some garlic.
All right.
Italian dressing, oregano. I actually cut oregano out of the garden. We still have oregano out there that's green. And then actually, besides the broccoli and the chickpea and the pasta, you can put anything else in it you want. It's a great vegetarian dish. The pastas, I used whole wheat pasta there, but you can use any kind of pasta you want. You can use the lentil or chickpea pasta too if you wanted to. Or you can actually use quinoa if you wanted to too, but I wanted a pasta. And then lemon, and that's about it. Salt and pepper. So I have the onion browning already, and I am going to put in, once it starts, I'm gonna put in my vegetables that take the most time. So I'll put in my broccoli. I'm gonna add some more olive oil as needed. The carrots take a little bit more time too, because they're harder. So I'm gonna put those in there too.
What seasonings are you adding?
Italian seasoning. And I'm gonna throw my oregano that I just got out of the garden in there too.
So you just added a little bit of garlic?
Yes, like a teaspoon of garlic should be okay. Well, if you like more, you can add more.
What does Sonny think of it?
He just watches. He loves to watch.
Is this something he's gonna like to eat?
Yeah, he could definitely eat this. Yep, as long as there's not too much salt in it, it's fine. He's a good boy. So I've been adding olive oil as it dries out, but I let my broccoli and carrots get relatively softer, and now I'm gonna add my zucchini and squash. And then the last thing you want to add really is your chickpeas and your spinach, because spinach cooks up really quick. We're gonna add in our chickpeas, which we already have rinsed, and our pasta. Just eat your camera. Looking good. We like spicy, so I'm gonna add some crushed red peppers. You don't have to do that if you don't like spicy.
Sonny, do you like spicy?
Like spicy? He loves crushed red peppers. They're one of his favorites. I'm gonna also add a couple handfuls of spinach. Put that in last because that cooks up really quick. I mean, like really quick. Shove it down in there.
You almost really don't even need to cook that. It just needs to get warm.
And look at that. That's a couple days of eating right there. Or here, because I'm the only one that will eat it. Well, you might eat it. Little Jerry would definitely eat this. Then as your last step, just squeeze more of your other half of your lemon. Ooh, it's looking yummy. Here's a look at the finished product. Looks so good. And if you want, if you're not vegetarian, you can always add chicken breast, some shrimp, whatever you want to it for a meaty meal. This is a really yummy Cosmo that I love to drink. You want to first start with Absolute Citron. 2.
What is that? Is that jigger is like an ounce and a half or an
It's
ounce?
the big one, yeah.
I don't know.
That's it. My bottle's done.
Oh.
And then the Grand Gala, which is, you could use Cointreau too if you're rich.
If you're rich, yes, use Cointreau. If
But
not,
if not, this is the cheaper version. But I like it just the same. And I do a small one of that.
if anybody can help us with what those measures are they ounce and a half? I forget.
On the one side we have the big one, on the other side we have the little one. I do 2 of the Absolute Citron of the big, 1 of the Grand Gala of the small, and then you want to take this mango nectar. You can get it in the Hispanic section at the grocery store.
But this came from the Dollar Tree. It was $1.
And it's kind of thick, but you want to do a small one. A small of that side. And a splash of cranberry. Little one.
Oh, there's ice. There's ice in the shaker, right?
Yes, I already did some crushed ice in the shaker. He doesn't like when I do that. Okay.
Strain it into a martini glass.
Ooh, that looks so good. Just a slice of lime. Squeeze it in there. And we're good.
All right, now that we've got our dinner and our drinks,
Yes.
we'll say cheers.
Go Ravens!
Go Ravens. And if you have any suggestions on things that we might want to add to that recipe or ways that you might want to do it, please share them with us.